It's 26 degrees outside, 66 in my garage, and I feel like I'm having a heat stroke. Probably doesn't help that I got long sleeves on, but welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be looking at Capri's 1/4-inch drive master chrome socket set. This is 6-point, and I own a few sets from Capri. I own a lot of Capri Tools. If you guys follow the channel, you guys know Capri is one of my favorite brands when it comes to tools. They make a lot of really good stuff for the price. There's something I'm getting ready to do in the garage, some changes I'm gonna make, which drove me to get this set and some others. So I wanted to share them with you guys. I have their master 3-inch drive impact socket set, some other chrome sets, a lot of their wrenches, ratchets, a lot of their stuff. But today we're looking at the 1/4-inch chrome 6-point master socket set, and these are priced really well. This is a 28-piece set, only metric. I have plenty of SAE, but I use a lot of 1/4-inch, not just at home but at work primarily. This is going to be for home use, at least as of right now. Here's the packaging. There you can see 28 pieces, 1/4-inch drive master chrome socket set in metric. Chrome vanadium forged steel, durable and corrosion resistance, max chrome finish, which is really good. Capri does a really good job with their chrome. You will get 14 pieces in the shallow and 14 pieces in the deep well. It's going to include 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, all the way through 15 for both shallow and deep. And it does carry that lifetime guarantee. And it does come in this nice little organizer for those that like these styles of organizers. It is pretty rigid, especially the backing that I just showed. I can't flip it back over. The cardboard backing gives it more rigidity, so these things are going to hold up well over time. There you can kind of see the interior of it. Got a little bit of ribbing to give it support. And these are available in 12-point, but I went with the 6-point. I just get more use out of it, but I do know a lot of people that need 12-point, and so I do want to mention that they do have that available in these sets. They use their wave drive, which helps prevent rounding off fasteners. Clean finish. You can see where the chrome kind of fades into the interior, which is good because you don't want chrome plating all down in here, because then it tends to chip, and then you can have fitment issues, and then you end up having chrome peeling outside. Then it's, you know, not good. So this is going to help prevent corrosion and rust in the future, and like I said, they do a fantastic job on their chrome. So you do have 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, and then 6 all the way through 15. So I do like to see 1/4-inch drive sets that not only include those half sizes, but also go up to 15 millimeter. That's kind of becoming the standard nowadays. So I do like to see that. Like I just showed you, they do have a nice large stamping for the sizing right there, 15 millimeter, the Capri logo, the part number, and chrome vanadium. I also like, where did that other socket go? So here's one of my other 1/4-inch drive 7 millimeters that we're going to compare to the 7 millimeter here. The thing that I like about the Capri is they are also neck down quite a bit further than some other brands. So this is going to help you get into those tight spaces and be able to reach a little bit further than some other brands. So I do like that. And I find this real useful on, like, anytime I'm tearing apart my lawnmower. The fasteners they have that hold all the covers on are always recessed down in the hole, and certain sockets I can't get in there, so these are actually really handy. But yeah, neck down a little bit further than some of the other brands that I own. The SAE set that they have is available from 3/16 up to 9/16, so a nice full-size set for 1/4-inch drive SAE as well. But I did get this set specifically for the changes I'm making here next year. So let me go ahead and show you what I got with this. This was a bundle set. That's how you order it. You can order it without what I'm about to show you, but I don't know what it is. The last 2 years, purple has become like one of my favorite colors. Just this shade of purple. This is purple too, but this is like a light purple. This is a beautiful purple. And this is the USA made Westling billet aluminum socket organizer that is partnered with Capri for their organizers. So Capri does sell many different of these Westling billet aluminum organizers. There you can see 1/4-inch metric, proudly made in the USA, and it is all aluminum. The studs, the base, There is no magnets. Some people have asked that in the past. I run Westling organizers in my main toolbox. Love it. I have the red and the blue for metric and SAE, and even my Capri Master Impact socket set in 3/8 is on a blue Westling organizer. I'm planning on picking up the US General when it's released in purple, and when I saw that Capri had these, I saw these, I don't know, maybe a month ago, and knew that this would be a perfect fit for that. I mean, the video's not even doing it justice. It's a deeper purple. It's a deeper purple than like what I'm able to, well, what I'm seeing on the camera. So it is absolutely beautiful, but I'm gonna go ahead and get these sockets on here real quick so you guys can see. Here's the full set on the Westling USA made organizer. Now, a set similar to this from other brands could be well over $100, and I will say Capri makes some fantastic sockets, not just the fitment, the chrome. I mean, there's a lot of good about these sockets, and just show you the fitment real quickly. So here we have an 8mm. I mean, really good fitment on there. Then we'll do 10mm. I mean, fitment is really good. I've never had an issue with fitment, and I've been really happy with them. And when I found out they had the purple organizer, I had to. It's as simple as that. I did want to quickly show the retention. Fitment on ratchets is really good. Jiminy Christmas. Almost knocked my tripod over. The fitment on these. That's Milwaukee. Milwaukee does right with their ratchets. First one was the Icon, then the Milwaukee, and then the gear wrench. And just a socket built really well. Also, the fact that it's priced so well. So if you just get the socket set in this organizer, the factory packaging, it's $40. That's amazing for this set. You get it with this organizer, you're looking at $60. I think this is well worth $60. There's a lot of brands with similar quality that will run $30 to $40 just for a set of shallows, or $40 for just the deep wells. For $40, you're getting both shallow and deep, and then an additional $20 you get the aluminum USA made rail. I mean, that's amazing if you ask me. So as far as what this is available in, you can either get it without the organizer here and just get it on that, or you can get it with a blue Westling organizer, just like this for the metric. So metric's available in the purple or the blue, and the SAE is available in red or black. So once again, these are available in 6-point and 12-point, with or without the rail, $40 to $60. If you guys have used Capri sockets, let me know your guys' thoughts. If you guys haven't tried out Capri, I definitely suggest it. Like I said, they have tons of really good products for a really good price. I will have this link down in the description for you guys, but if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.